In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off notifications in Journal application on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find Journal. Once you get into Journal settings, in here we can configure Journal notifications in a couple of ways, and the first way is Journaling Schedule. If we get into it and if it is turned on, like in my case, we'll be notified in selected days and time to write something in journal. If you don't want to get those notifications, or if you don't want to get it in specific days, you can configure it here. You can, of course, completely toggle off that option. Also, if we scroll up, that's where we can find notifications option, and if we get into it, we can also configure how we would like to get notifications from journal. Let's say we don't want to get notifications at the lock screen, or let's say we don't want to get sound notification, and that's how we can easily configure it. Basically, guys, if you want to completely turn off all the notifications for the journal application, you can just tap right here to turn them off. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.